Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. That's Miss Ochin Graceva-LeBoeuf. She almost fell off into the blue Mediterranean Sea, but luckily for her, she's got the instincts of a cat. Anyway, let's introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, and her name is Miss Ochin Graceva-LeBoeuf.
Hello, everybody! How nice to see you again and again.
And again. Stick with us. We are in the Kato Paphos Harbour area. We're going to storm it as tradition goes, and we're going to meet some old friends, and you never know, we might get to meet some new friends. Graceva?
By the way, it's a man sitting and singing.
Yeah,
and
Dire Straits is at it again. Dire Straits, he's a very good musician, but unfortunately for us, he plays the original soundtrack in the background. So as we get a bit closer, well, it could be time, Graceva. Come on. Let's get running. Keep running, Graceva-LeBoeuf. It's more fun when you run. Go on, Graceva-LeBoeuf, keep running. Here we are. No, keep running. Come on.
He's not singing.
He stopped singing. There we are. Now, one of our #1 superstars, the one and only hairiest man in the whole of Paphos, sexiest creature known to man, Mr. Yanis.
Hello.
Are you cold, Mr. Yanis?
It's okay. My age. I have my sexy hair.
Bon appetit.
He's got his sexy hairy skin on. He's eating. We'll come back a bit later. Thanks, Mr. Yanis. He promotes pretty much every boat trip in downtown Paphos, including the Zorki. But I warn you now, the Zorki glass bottom boat, you get on that, you check he's not on there. Otherwise, you are in big trouble. There we are. Have a look at that. There's the family having a nice picture. There we are. Wonderful. Absolutely spectacular. Right, Mr. Rickos? There he is. Right, Mr. Same? Yes. They're all checking their take-ins for the day. I think they've had a good day, that's for sure. Where are we? What? Who?
Mr. in a various shops with a
Oh,
nice leg.
Major Tom.
Tom.
Major Tom, in the winter, they shut down here and they move closer into shore, shall we say. Closer to all their big boats. And they've got some big boats. That's the Ocean Vision. They've got the Ocean Blue, they've got the Sea This, they've got the Ocean That. There's an awful lot of boats going on, that's for sure. Anyway, King's Restaurant, that's the first restaurant on the block. So, they are Gumbaru #1. Got some great fish, by the way. Have a look at that. Fresh catch of the day.
Make sure the octopus is not alive because it's gonna bite you like Mr.
We might come and choose a piece for Miss Coco afterwards. There's Gumbaru #1, yes. And there's Gumbaru #1. Yes. Superstars amongst superstars. The next restaurant on the block, well, that one is Theo's. A very good restaurant indeed. Busy from breakfast through lunch, all the way through to the evening meal, that's for sure. And the next restaurant is the Pelican Restaurant. Doesn't need much of an introduction because it's the most famous restaurant on the block. Talking about Major Tom, there he is. There we are. Let's go and have a word with him, see what he's got to say. Because as you can see, they promote pretty much every boat in the harbour, and they are Paphos Sea Cruises. Here we are. He's desperately trying to get on to Marika and me. All right, Mr. Tom? Good? Are you busy? Not too bad. Good. There we are. Good smile on his face. That means he's making a couple of bob. That's what we like to see. See you later, Mr. Tom. He's a Major Tom, superstar amongst superstars. He's in charge of most of the boats in the harbour area. So if you want to go and get a good deal, then have a word with him.
I haven't seen his shorts.
No, we haven't seen his shorts.
Okay,
We'll go back. We'll go back. Normally he's got some vibrant shorts on, if you understand. Yellow ones, pink ones.
And as usual, you get jealous.
I get
You never
jealous. He's
wear
got the
them.
sexiest legs in the
Yeah.
whole of downtown Paphos, that's for sure. Let's go and have a look and see Miss Coco. Go on, Graceva-LeBoeuf. Let's follow your rear end. There we are. Let's go and see two beautiful birds. That's Graceva-LeBoeuf. And then just sitting over there, that's the #1 star amongst stars. And her name is Miss Coco. She's having a bit of a snooze, right? Graceva-LeBoeuf.
Yeah, I think she's snoozing.
So that's the
so
Pelican.
nice.
She is there all day from around about 10 o'clock till about 6 o'clock in the afternoon, strutting her stuff up and down the Kato Paphos Harbour Promenade area. And you're welcome to go and get your photos with her, no charge whatsoever. And she's a star amongst stars. Next restaurant on the block is the Gelamo restaurant, which is that one there. There we are. That's their rear of house, the ice cream parlour. and that's their front of house. That's the boss, and that's the boss, and that's the boss, and that's the boss. There's Nikita, and there is the training manager. You all right?
I'm good.
You're in charge tonight. He's in charge tonight. We'll be back in a little bit. And the next restaurant on the block, Sail at the Castle. That's the sports bar part, and of course that means this is the main restaurant part. And as usual, they're getting ready for a very, very good dinner service tonight. And that's Mr. Costa. That's the boss of that one. All right, welcome back. How you doing? You right? Free drinks? Free drinks?
I owe you.
That's on camera. On camera. Free drinks. We're coming back. Stevie's Bar. He's offered everyone free drinks. And that is Gamma Jubba. Another Gamma Jubba. See, there's the Gamma Jubbas. And Mr. Dexter. You all right, Mr. Dexter?
Come join us for a Halloween
How's your beard?
It's very good, actually.
It is. It's not a bad beard, is it?
Thank God the wind stopped.
There we are. The wind plays havoc with his beard. We'll see you in a bit, Mr. Dexter. Thanks very much.
I've got a Halloween party.
Oh, Halloween party. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Here we are. 7:30, Halloween party at Stevie's Bar. 7:30 onwards. Got live music from the 80s and the 90s. And they've also got a fancy dress contest. So you get a free drink if you win. That's what you get, or two. Anyway, Kato Paphos Harbour coming up. That's the Zorki. That's the boat I was warning you about. Great, great boat. But don't forget, if you get on it, don't go on it if Mr. Yanis is on it. The hairiest man in Paphos. If he's on it, jump off. If he's not, you're going to have a great, great trip, that's for sure. €15, pops out for 90 minutes. It's got a pure glass bottom, so you get to watch, well, turtles, swimmers, even Mr. Yanis swimming under the boat, that's for sure. And that's the beautiful working harbour of Paphos. You've got some big boats, you've got some small boats, you've even got my big boat just over there, and then you've got some fishing boats, and then over yonder, you've got two big dark grey boats that belong to the Gumbarus in blue. If you're naughty, well, they're going to catch you, they're going to beat you, and they may even shoot you. Receive your book?
Don't scare people. Don't scare people, Mr. Paul.
Well, if they're naughty.
Yeah, yeah.
We don't want naughty people coming to Paphos, do we?
Yes, like me.
There's already you and me.
Yeah.
Yeah? They're hunting us day and night, and they have threatened us. Well, Sergeant Stavros has beaten me on many occasions.
Have you seen that beautiful sky, by the way?
It is a beautiful sky. It is. So stick with us, because in another couple of minutes, you're going to get that view that is quite simply to die for. No other channel in the world will show you Paphos the way we do, because no other channel is as stupid or as adventurous, and no other channel comes out at night like we do. So we are going to show you the sun as it treks on its travels off to downtown Kato, Australia, and we're going to try and catch it as it leaves. But it's leaving its golden glows up amongst the clouds. So that's your view until we get to a better view. So stick with us, because just over there are the rocks to the rear of the Kato Paphos Castle, which means we are very, very close to the sunset viewing point. So we're going to go around this last corner, and we're going to follow the rear end of Gresivia LaBouffe, as tradition goes, and then we're going to watch the sun as it vanishes on its travels off to downtown Kato, Australia. But don't worry, if you were to come to this very, very same point at around about 6:30 in the morning, you can watch it coming back. Gresivia LaBouffe, there we go. Let's follow that rear end. And as normal, she's going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way, Gresivia
I
LaBouffe.
would say the way we do the videos, you have to be quite brave, like us.
Or stupid. One of the two. You're going the wrong way again, Gresivia LaBouffe. Whatever you do, don't follow Gresivia LaBouffe, because you'll end up somewhere where you didn't expect to be. Well, now we're going the right way. There we are. There we are. Finally, we have got to the sunset viewing point, and the sun has just left the building, shall we say. So stick with us. Let's go and have a look and see if we can catch it just over yonder, because it's just over there somewhere behind the clouds. It was, because we saw it in the previous video, and now we've lost it. Could be over there. Nope, nope, nope. That's the Kato Paphos Harbour. Beautiful, beautiful harbour indeed. That's the castle. That's the blue Mediterranean Sea. And of course that is Misocci and Guasivia Leboeuf.
Did you see that one? That big ship with the lights on.
There is a big boat. There is a very, very big boat out to sea, and it's got a blue light on it. And that's because there's a theme on this channel, and it's all about blue. The blue sea, the blue sky. I'm dressed in head to toe in blue. That ship's got a blue light on.
I've got the blue on.
She's got a bit of blue on. So all that's missing is...
You.
So?
Get yourself on a big bird or a canoe and start paddling like crazy, because Cyprus is simply waiting just for you.
It is. So get yourself over here. Shall we go and find the moving Chechukka rock?
Oh yes.
Yes, oh yes. Especially for our two superstars, Jeremy and Simon Payne. This rock is quite simply waiting for you. And of course, Guasivia Leboeuf is quite simply waiting for your credit cards. But she doesn't really want credit cards because we understand that they're not that good. Just bring cash. We always like cash. So bring plenty of it with you when you come out week after next. Here we go. The rear end of Guasivia Leboeuf. We'll try not to scare the boys. There we go.
Mr. and Mr. Paynes, we are here for you, just to show you how much we love you. And not only you, but all the people who are staying with us so long and always will. We would like to tell you many thanks for watching, and we would like to tell you that we are loving you to bits. And please, don't forget to come and see another of our lovely.
There we are. That's the rear end view as well. Doesn't get much better than that. Wow. It really doesn't get much better than that. All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. And of course, if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and please come back for a little bit more of our madness. Because that's the blue Mediterranean Sea. And it's absolutely beautiful. And Guasivia Leboeuf is getting to be a bit of a monkey. And now she's off down the rocks. And Chuck Norris and Jackie Chan is coming to town tomorrow. That's for sure.
Be careful, Mr. Paul. You are not that very good athletically done like me. Because you have to hold something in your hand. I mean the
It's a camera.
stick.
Yes, it's a stick.
Many, many kisses again and again. Loving you to bits. And thank you for your time and for your attention.
Right, you've had enough of that view. Have a look at that view. Doesn't get much better than that. It's the blue Mediterranean Sea to the rear of the castle, just behind the harbour in downtown Petropavlos. The sun has gone that away, but don't worry, it'll be coming back at around about 6:30 in the morning, and that's a very nice jumper, sitting on a rock, monkeying around. Thanks for watching.